So hi friends. I'm just sharing with you. I'm just preparing some potato bhaji or veggie. So I just put some salt and I put some a little bit of turmeric because I don't like it too yellow. Then afterwards I will prepare this thing batata vadas of it. So I have to make the bhaji first. So I'll make it. The oil is hot, so I will just throw in some of my this cumin, yeah, and I'll throw in the curry patta. Very important, throw in that. So the oil is slow, yeah. Throw in that in the here. You have to put in the jeera, curry patta, all the curry patta. Put all the curry patta. And here I've gotten some. What I have here, I've gotten some powder. So that powder is. A little bit jeera powder, roasted jeera powder, a little bit dhania powder, and a little bit of dhania powder, and a little bit of I put in some rye. Put some rye and jeera, yeah. Put some rye and jeera. Yeah? Put dhania powder, a little bit of soft powder. I put soft. It gives a good taste. A little bit of pepper. So now the oil is hot here. I have to put in a little bit of first garlic and ginger, yeah, very important. So put a lot of garlic, you need a lot of garlic, so the potato is good. It always splashes with the garlic, a little bit of ginger, I don't know why it splashes. So it splashes everywhere, it splashes. A little bit of ginger I put, a little bit of ginger, not too much. So ginger sort of overpowers it. Yeah, a little bit of ginger I've used, not too much. But a little bit of extra garlic, yeah. So garlic is good. And then I will put this. So if you know my mess a little bit, and I got one, so I put some, always I put anise in it gives good flavor. And I put some sauce or so. So basically, I don't put any water, so the potatoes are boiled actually. And I'll put this in this masala for 2 minutes, yeah. Don't get it burned. When this is frying nicely, now I put in the potatoes. There's nothing much. So I put in the potatoes, yeah. The potatoes are put in. So I put in the potatoes. So now I put in the potatoes and then I'll mix it. And I always use lime juice for the bhaji. Just take the salt and all. So I like it like whitish color, like that color. I don't like it like yellow color. So I put a little bit of turmeric, so it doesn't come just nice. So now I'm mixing it up nicely. You have to mix it up. Just break up the potato inside, yeah. So you can have it like with chapatis or puri, and also you can make butter or it will come very nicely. Just taste your salt. Salt is this. I'll put some salt. I put a little bit sugar in it. So I always use, when I use make savory stuff, I use a little bit of sugar. It brings out the taste. Salt is good now. A little bit of more oil. And I put a little bit of lime. Lime is not good. I'm not put lime, but I put lime. So milk lime. I squeeze the lime and I put the lime. I'm not well actually, I was sick. So I just have to go to feed my birds as well. It's so easy to do potato bhaji, and once it's done, just give it a mixed up there. So the potato, remember the protein goes in the potato. So just take a slice. Don't put any water in it, yeah. I put green chili, curry patta for my cheese, and just that. You don't have to put in lots of stuff, yeah. So basically for the potato bhaji, it has to be boiled potato. It becomes better than to have it like raw. So start this frying it, just check it out again. Come very nice. Salt of it. That's enough. Don't become now. I put everything back. See, this is 2 minutes job. Yeah? You also can do it. Keep everything ready. Keep everything ready so everything can be done fast. They are feeling sick actually, not feeling well. So, flu was in the air. All this. I'll look up now. All done. Yeah, the bhaji is ready also. Doesn't require a lot of cooking. And I close it up. See friends, I have to put some coriander here. Very important. Coriander and I put the stock and I put it in the in this, I told you in the paper napkins, it stays fresh. See how fresh it stays? I keep it for so many days in the fridge. So it stays fresh. So I'll put some of this, yeah? Take some more. And I'll wash it. Don't wash it and put it up. If you wash it and put it, it gets spoiled. So you just take out the stalks. The stalks are that makes it go bad. So now I kept it in this, and now I finish it actually. I'll remove this from the fire. Speak up. So see, sharing with your friends. See my potato bhaji, so nice it's come. See? Yeah, I will bring the camera here and have a look. See my bhaji? Yeah, it's come so nice, yeah. Share it with you, yeah. Yeah. So please do try and let me know. It's very nice. Now you can make